How to withdraw money from Binance. Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in terms of the daily trading volume. As one of its users, you have access to a vast selection of services and products related to the developing crypto economy. These include cryptocurrency trading, both spot and futures markets, borrowing, lending, staking, donating, and holding your crypto assets. So, there are a lot of options to invest your money and assets. However, given that most of these products and services aim to provide you with a means of achieving your goal of turning a profit, sooner or later, you will have to withdraw your funds. You could be having fiat or crypto assets in your account. You can withdraw them to another exchange, a private wallet, or want to cash out on your gains. In this guide, we're showing you how to withdraw fiat and crypto from Binance. But before we do, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. First of all, fiat money withdrawal is currently supporting more than 60 fiat currencies, including USD, EUR, GBP, INR, AUD, JPY, and TRY. To withdraw any well-known traditional currency that you and a lot of people use from your Binance account, follow these 4 simple steps as we show you. Step 1. Navigate to the fiat and spot page. To do this, log into Binance and hover over the wallet link on the top right corner of the homepage or main navigation bar. A drop-down list will appear. Click on Fiat and Spot. Alternatively, you can hover over the wallet link as you did before. But instead of clicking on Fiat and Spot, you can instead click on Overview. This will open up the Overview page with all your balances across the various Binance products, including futures, margin, mining pool, earn, PTP, and Fiat and Spot accounts. Click on the Fiat and Spot option. Step 2. Navigate to the Fiat withdraw page. There are 3 ways to arrive at the Fiat withdraw page. The first 2 are on the Fiat and Spot page. On the top of this page, just below the navigation bar, is the withdraw button. Alternatively, you can scroll down on the same page and click on the withdraw buttons aligned with the specific fiat currencies you wish to withdraw. This is a shorter route than the other 2, requiring an extra step to select the currency you want to withdraw. And finally, you can click the withdraw buttons available on the overview page. Most of these withdraw buttons are linked to the withdraw crypto page by default. If you end up on the crypto withdraw page shown below, just click on the withdraw fiat button on the top right side. Step 3. Select currency and payment method. Binance supports more than 60 fiat currencies. Select the one you wish to withdraw from the drop-down list. Below that, you will see a list of the available payment methods supported for your chosen currency. Supported payment methods are payment cards, credit or debit, and cash transfers. Note, on March 7th, Binance and PaySafe announced the complete reopening of Euro and Great British Pounds deposits and withdrawals through the SEPA payment network and Faster Payment Services (FPS) respectively for both desktop and mobile. With the exception of the Netherlands and Switzerland, Binance retail customers will be able to make Euro transfers directly through SEPA. Fill in the amount to withdraw on the right side and click the Continue button on the bottom right. Depending on which payment method you choose, you will be prompted to fill in the receiving account details in this step. Provide your details and click Continue. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. Once you've provided all the payment details, you'll be prompted to confirm the accuracy of the information you provided. A pop-up dialog box will show the amount to be withdrawn, the payment method, transaction fee, and the estimated time it will take for you to receive your funds. If everything seems correct, click Confirm and proceed to security verification using 2-factor authentication. That's it. You have successfully withdrawn your fiat balance from Binance. But while working on finance, you do not just want to withdraw your money as fiat sources, so you might withdraw crypto as well, and we will show you how. There are 2 categories of destinations whenever you want to withdraw crypto from Binance. You can either send your crypto to another exchange, i.e. custodial wallet, or a private wallet, i.e. non-custodial. The latter includes mobile, desktop, web, and hardware wallets. There are suitable differences in sending your crypto to either of these destinations, and we will highlight them in the following steps. Here are the steps to follow to withdraw crypto from Binance. Step 1. Navigate to the Fiat and Spot page. Log into your Binance account. Then, hover over the wallet link. Click on the Fiat and Spot link in the drop-down menu. For alternative ways to get the Fiat and Spot page, refer to the section withdrawing fiat from Binance above. Step 2. Navigate to the crypto withdraw page. There are two other ways to get to the crypto withdraw page. The first is to scroll down to the fiat and spot page and locate the specific crypto you want to withdraw. To the far right of each coin is a withdraw button, as shown here. Alternatively, visit the overview page by selecting the overview under the wallet link on the main navigation. That page has two withdraw buttons as shown below. If you click on any withdraw button and end up on the fiat withdraw page, select the crypto tab to switch to the crypto withdraw page. Step 3. Select coin and transfer network. In this step, you'll select the coin you want to withdraw, the address to which you are withdrawing, and the transfer network. The last part is optional. If the coin or token you are withdrawing is only available on one network, the transfer costs also vary between different transfer networks. If you can use more than one transfer network, you may consider the network fees as well. You will add a new address in the recipient's address field or choose one from the address book. If you have enabled the whitelist security feature, you will not be able to add a new address on this page. Instead, you will have to use the address management page to add a new address. All authorized wallet addresses can be accessed through the address book button. The whitelist function is a security feature that you can enable and disable if you wish, but we highly recommend enabling it. It ensures that only whitelisted addresses can be used to withdraw crypto from your account. Then you have to add a new withdraw address on the address management page. Click on the Add Withdraw Address button. This will display a pop-up dialog box as shown below. Select the coin and fill in the wallet address below that. Then select the correct transfer network. Below that is the address origin field. Here, you will select whether the wallet address is private or it belongs to an exchange. If it is the latter, you will choose the exchange to which you intend to withdraw your assets. Then click Save after confirming that everything is correct. Binance will require you to authorize the addition by two-factor authentication. Now that you have added your wallet address, you will have to return to the crypto withdraw page to reselect the coin to withdraw, amount, the newly added wallet address, and the transfer network. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. Once you click the Submit button, Binance will prompt you to confirm the transaction and authorize it through the 2FA security function. Click Submit once you have verified the security details. You are done. You have successfully withdrawn your crypto from Binance. Withdrawing fiat and crypto from Binance is a simple and straightforward process. As we've highlighted above, it takes less than 5 steps. Make sure to include the correct details when withdrawing crypto. Otherwise, you risk losing your funds without any recourse. And that was all from us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.